Hello everyone, I'm Purple Tin. I'm unboxing another deck which is Dream Ritual Oracle cards. It's a 48 card deck and guidebook by Theresa Chong and illustrations by Noel T. Published by Welbeck Balance. Let your dreams be your guide. Are you ready to embrace the life-changing potential of your dreams? Your dreams offer a gateway between your conscious waking life and your subconscious dreaming state. The 48 cards in this deck encourage you to explore the profound messages they can offer, gently guiding you to a more fulfilled and meaningful life. The accompanying booklet provides proven dreamwork rituals for each card, alongside more tools that can be used to train your brain to recall your dreams and their precious wisdom more easily. The cards are powered by the potent energy of the moon and its key phases to help you unlock your nocturnal intuition. By performing the dreamwork rituals in the moon phase featured on each card, you can significantly enhance their power. Let your dreams be your guide. Teresa Chong is a dream interpretation expert. She regularly appears in the media and has been researching and writing about dreams, spirituality, personal growth, health, and holistic well-being for the last 25 years. Published by Welbeck Publishing, priced at $19.99 in the UK and $24.95 in the US. Box design by Steve Williams. So let's take off the stickers. Okay, I don't have time for that. So let's just cut it with my trusty cutter. I got this from Amazon. So it's a sturdy two-part box with thumb hole cutouts on the left and right side. And this is the guidebook. In this accompanying guidebook, you will find tools and techniques designed to enhance your understanding and experience of the cards, discover information on how to use your cards daily, weekly, monthly, and annually, how important ritual is in helping with dream recall, and how to work with the lunar phases. Enhanced descriptions of the qualities, lunar powers, rituals, nocturnal insights, and mantras offered for each card. Let your dreams guide you to a more fulfilled and meaningful life. This deck was published in 2023 by Welbeck Balance. It has table of contents, an introduction. This Dream Ritual Oracle deck will give you all the tools and techniques you need to recall and understand your dreams better. and more importantly, to work with them to grow in self-awareness. Every night you have every night you have a not to be missed appointment with Dr. Sleep to ensure your body regenerates and your mind recalibrates. But you also get the amazing opportunity to consult with Professor Dream, who encourages you to adventure in an alternate reality, which you can receive life changing guidance and profound insight from your very own nocturnal intuition. Most of us appreciate the value of quality sleep for our body and mind, but forget that our dreams are truly important messages from our heart and soul. That's where this dream ritual oracle deck comes in. Given dreams are easily forgotten on waking and rarely make any sense. It's very easy to dismiss or forget them and the healing and empowering wisdom they offer. Dream rituals are actions you can repeatedly do to not just train your body and mind to recall your dreams, but also to increase the likelihood of having more vivid, inspiring dreams. And given the intimate connection between the moon and your dreams, with both emerging out of the shadows every night to shine light into your darkness, aligning your rituals with the four main phases of the moon, new, waxing, full, and waning, further harnesses the transformative potential of your dream work. Before you plunge in and start using these cards to help you dream and live bigger and better, please pause and take a moment to mindfully read this introduction. It will help explain the true power of your dreams and why these 48 ritual suggestions are optimum for igniting them, as well as offering grounding advice on how to get the most out of your dream ritual oracle deck. Okay. Why 48 cards? There are 48 cards in the Dream Ritual Oracle deck because 48 is an important number in numerology. According to the numerologists, the number 48 represents cause, 4, and effect, number 8, uniting 4 plus 8 to create a perfect harmony and balance, which is 12 between mind, body, and soul, and all the creativity and wisdom. 1 plus 2 equals 3. That sacred union entails. How to use your dream ritual cards. Research suggests that dream recall can make you feel healthier and happier, and that every dream can offer you something valuable, whether that be self knowledge, personal growth, simple adventure, or creative brainstorming. With studies also pointing to the life changing power of daily ritual and lunar living becoming a popular lifestyle choice. Aim to use your dream ritual cards every day as often as you can. And every time you use your cards, be sure to write down in a dedicated dream ritual journal anything of significance that comes to you. Your dream ritual journal can simply be a blank notebook that you put by your bedside to record your dreams in and also have to hand when you do your dream rituals. You can work with these cards anywhere, using them in your bedroom, the temple of your dreams, or where you can clearly see the moon, either from a window or outside in the evening, will enhance the experience and deepen your connection to your night visions. But this is not essential. Consult cards wherever you feel most calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Referring them before sleeping or on waking makes most sense, but some rituals suggest other times of day too. Bear in mind that each card is aligned with one one of the four main phases of the moon. So there are 12 cards for each moon phase. And although that moon phase may be the optimum time to perform a ritual, there really are no rules or guidelines. You can get tremendous benefit from performing the recommended dream ritual on any day of the lunar month because all 48 ritual themes making up this deck are interconnected, just as all your dreams and waking experiences are interconnected. Each card features a dream work title theme for you to reflect on and a recommended ritual for you to perform. The key associated qualities which encapsulate the essence of the ritual and which you can reflect or meditate on are listed, followed by a brief insight into the moon's influence and wisdom in lunar power. How to perform the dream ritual is explained in 5 easy to follow steps. Then comes the nocturnal insight section, which will deepen your understanding of the reason you are being asked and you are the reason you are being asked to do this particular ritual and why it resonates most strongly with a specific moon phase. Understanding why you are performing a ritual is key to its effectiveness. Each card rounds off with a mantra. This is a set of words or a phrase believed to carry a sound vibration and has spiritual power when spoken out loud and can help you tune in both your dreaming mind and the universe. So there are suggestions on how to use this, like daily reading, weekly reading, monthly reading, annual reading, your dream year. So on each page, on each card, there is a dedicated 2 pages. There is the keyword, the qualities, the lunar power, the ritual, the nocturnal insight, and at the bottom you have the mantra. So let's take a look at the cards. This is how the inside of the box looks like. These are the cards. The cards are in matte finish. This is how the back of each card looks like. And this is a 48 card deck. This is the first card, receive, prepare, observe, Now let's see how the deck shuffles. Shuffles fine. Yeah, shuffles nice actually. You're just about the right size for my hands. You can also shuffle it this way. Now let's pick a card for the collective and we'll read from the guidebook. Ponder. Ponder qualities, examine, evaluate, contemplate, deliberate, and vision. Lunar power. As the light of the waxing moon gradually begins to expand and reach its full illumination, momentum is building energetically. It is the ideal time to focus on one thing or one intention you set during the new moon and consciously, day and night, dream it into existence. Ritual, scrying the possibilities. Find a small bowl or a large glass and fill it with water. So there is the title of the card, the qualities, the lunar power, and a ritual, and nocturnal insight. Daydreaming is a source of untapped creative dreaming because you can defy logic and experience things that are not part of your current waking reality. In the same way as when you dream at night, there is also a mysterious infinite side to daydreaming too. It is a product of your imagination, and imagination is the source of all creativity and progress. Einstein once said, imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited to all we know and understand, while imagination embraces the entire world and all there ever will be to know or understand. The ritual is not the mind-wandering form and daydreaming that is akin to meditation and or mindfulness. It is induced daydreaming. It encourages you to deliberately focus on something you want and then to stretch or push your mind to embrace possibilities. Getting your mind to believe you is the vital starting point for all success. Athletes, artists, writers, and inventors know that deliberately daydreaming about what they want to create or do has life-changing power. When you dream about something being possible, you are one step closer to attracting the energy of what you want into your life. This is manifesting the law of attraction at work. Scrying is an ancient mystical technique which its most well-known method involving the use of a crystal ball. However, you don't need a crystal ball to scry. You can literally use anything with a clear reflective surface. The theory is that if you gaze for long enough and deliberately ponder what you want to manifest in your life, sooner or later you will see images appearing on the surface of the object or in your mind's eye. You'll be dreaming with your eyes wide open, making the impossible feel possible. Mantra, my dreams come true. So, this is the Dream Ritual Oracle cards. I hope you liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Don't forget to leave a like or comment. Take care, and I will see you on my next video.